Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Duskfade game not launching or not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, crashing at startup, black screen or several other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First open settings on your Xbox, choose system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and then click on it to begin the updating process. After that, launch the game and check. Next is check for Duskfade update. Apart from console, you should ensure the game is also updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure to check for an update option and after that launch the game and check. Next is to clear Xbox cache. Deleting the cache of your Xbox can help you tackle the issue. For that, press Xbox symbol on your controller. Now move to profile and system. Here select settings, system, then console info. After that select reset console. Then select reset and keep my games and apps option and after that launch the game and check. Next is to check storage. For that press Xbox button, go to profile and system, click on settings, click on system, click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not or else delete some unused apps and or games to create space. Next is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cached data. For that open settings, choose device and connections, click on Blu-ray, select persistent storage and then select clear persistent storage. After that launch the game and check. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Now go to accounts, click on remove accounts, choose the account to remove, select remove option. After that add the account again and then check if the game is launching. Next is to reinstall Duskfade game. For that press Xbox button controller. Now move to my games and apps, select see all option. Here select Duskfade game. Now press menu button, select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Duskfade official website and download the game. Next is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do or else they will try to resolve it from their end and you can play the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.